time for the weather. Let's see here. Do do do. Do do do. Oopsie. Bing! That's all it really takes to make a weather report. Just to let you know, today is June 11th, 2009. It's a Thursday, for those of you keeping track of the days of the week. Thursday. Starting out today in New York City. Ariel, what's going on, girl? Are you ready for the weekend? It's almost here. Let's see. It's cloudy. Got some lightning headed your way. Got the little lightning icon on Thursday and Friday. Rain on Saturday. Partly cloudy Sunday. Rain on Monday and more lightning. Gotta watch out for that lightning. It'll get you. 61 degrees currently in New York City. Gonna have a high today at 67, low at 62. And we all know I was born in 62. Moving on to Macedonia. Moving on. 69 degrees currently in Macedonia. Gonna have some rain today. Get out your umbrella, Lisbeth. That's what I'm saying. The rest of all the way to next Tuesday is just partly cloudy. High today is 71, low is 61. Currently 69 degrees in Macedonia. Moving on to Panhandle, Texas. Panhandle, currently 58 degrees. Gonna have some lightning. 58 degrees. Gonna have a high today of 86 and a low of 59. But right now it's 58. But your low today will be 59. These fellers inside my little phone, they're stupid. If your low is 59, how can you be 58? Why don't they change that low? Heck, I'd go down to 57 or 56 just to make up for it. Them fellers are silly, ain't they? Let's see here. Moving on to Everett. What's going on, Brian? Today, let's see here. It's currently 53 degrees. Gonna have a high of 71, low of 53. It's partly cloudy today and tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain on Saturday. Let's see here. Moving on to Modesto, California. KJ, what's up, girl? How you doing today? Let's see, it's currently 58 degrees, partly cloudy. Gonna have a high today, 83. It's gonna be hot, hot, hot. Low of 57. Let's see, gonna be partly cloudy today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Rain! Get that umbrella out. Moving on to Novato, Scott. What is going on? Let's see here. Currently 46 degrees. My goodness sakes. Boy, get a coat. It is cold. 46 degrees. Gonna have a high today of 71. Low of 53. It's gonna be partly cloudy all the way through next Tuesday. Moving on to Escondido. Jory, what's happening? Had fun yesterday, JoJo? That was just a grand old time watching the tennis match. You gotta watch out for that Shane Diggity. He's gonna sneak up and beat you at every sport. Goodness sakes. He's something else, ain't he? Anywho, it's cloudy, 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 cloudy. Can you say C cubed? Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. 51 degrees. Gonna have a high today of 75. Low of 56 is what I'm saying. And moving on to San Diego. Doggy. Today, you know what today is? It's the freshman picnic. And it's the 8th grade orientation. What a great, 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 great day. It's 64 degrees. And if we look out the weather window, what do you think it is? I'll tell you what it is. It's partly cloudy. Thursday, partly cloudy. 64 degrees. Gonna have a high today of 67. Low of 60. And in case you missed yesterday's show, I'd just like to say that it was nominated for a Grammy. But I would like to be able to say that, but that's not true. Wasn't really nominated for anything. I hope you fellers have a great Thursday out there. And I know that sometimes life can seem like it's just too much, that it doesn't make sense, and you're not sure what you should do. Well, I'd just like to say that when you find yourself in a situation like that, the best recourse you have is to go and get yourself a fine beverage. And then make some video game sounds with the straw. Makes everything better. Doggies! That's all I gotta say for today. You fellers have a great one.